How to log in into Costco Citi Card's online account. First of all, open up a new web browser in your device and on the search URL type in Costco Citi Card login. After that, head over to the first link on your interface that says Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi or Citi.com. So click on it. And then you will land on the official webpage of Citi Card. Now to log in, navigate to top right corner and click on Sign On button. Now you will be taken into sign in page. So if you head over to your right hand side on your interface, there is a login prompt. First of all, you have to enter your user ID associated with your account. Make sure you type in the correct user ID. If you want to save in your user ID in your device, click on this checkbox that says Remember User ID. And in the next box under password, you have to enter your password associated with your account. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case you forgot your user ID or your password, there is a link right here that says Forgot User ID or Password. Click on it, follow some instructions, and that will help you out to recover your account. Or if you haven't registered yet, you can click on this Register or Activate and then create an account. Once you're done typing in your user ID and password, click on the Sign In button, and if you have entered the correct login credential, you will be logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.